Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive cleanliness, focusing on the best cleaning wipes for cars. From tackling stubborn stains to maintaining that fresh interior shine, these wipes are a game changer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and be sure to like, comment, and share your thoughts with us. Let's get started. Number 1. Clorox Disinfecting Wipes Value Pack, an absolute game changer for household cleanliness. With its pack of 3, each containing 75 wipes, this product is a must-have for any home. From kitchen countertops to bathroom surfaces, these wipes effortlessly eradicate germs and bacteria, ensuring a hygienic environment for your family. The convenience of having them readily available in a value pack makes cleaning sessions a breeze. Plus, the trusted Clorox brand ensures quality and reliability. Say goodbye to pesky germs and hello to a fresh, clean home with the Clorox Disinfecting Wipes Value Pack. Number 2. Tubo Towels TW90 Heavy Duty Cleaning Wipes. These powerhouse wipes come in a generous 10-inch by 12-inch size and boast a hefty count of 90 wipes per canister, ensuring you're always stocked up for tough cleaning tasks. Whether it's grease, grime, or stubborn stains, these multi-surface wipes tackle them all with ease, making cleaning a breeze. From kitchen countertops to automotive interiors, these wipes are up to the challenge, leaving surfaces sparkling clean with minimal effort. Say goodbye to endless scrubbing and hello to convenience with Tubo Towels TW90 Heavy Duty Cleaning Wipes, your go-to solution for a spotless home or workspace. Number 3. Crocodile Cloth Multi-Purpose Household Cleaning Wipes. These heavy-duty wipes are an absolute game-changer for tackling tough messes. With 80 oversized, biodegradable wipes in each pack, you'll have plenty on hand for any cleaning task. From grease and dirt to dust and grime, these wipes make light work of even the most stubborn messes. Plus, they're tough enough to handle glue residue, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're cleaning hands, tables, or more, Crocodile Cloth wipes are the stronger, easier way to get the job done. Say goodbye to endless scrubbing and hello to effortless cleaning with Crocodile Cloth. Number 4. Malco Duplex Heavy Duty Cleaning Wipes. Whether you're tackling tough messes at home or in your vehicle, these wipes are your ultimate cleaning companion. With their dual-sided texture design, they effortlessly remove grease, tar, paint, oil, and dirt, leaving surfaces spotless. What's more, these wipes leave behind no residue, ensuring a clean finish every time. Crafted in the USA, they are safe for your hands, providing a convenient solution for all your cleaning needs. With 130 wipes in a pack, Malco Duplex wipes offer durability and reliability, making them a must-have for any cleaning arsenal. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to effortless cleaning with Malco Duplex Heavy Duty Cleaning Wipes. Number 5. Luxury Drivers Car Cleaning Wipes redefine automotive cleanliness with their premium quality and unparalleled convenience. These interior car cleaner dust wipes effortlessly tackle dust and grime, leaving your dashboard, seats, and other surfaces gleaming like new. The citrus-infused formula not only cleans but also imparts a refreshing fragrance, elevating your driving experience. Packaged in a convenient 90-count resealable canister, these wipes are perfect for on-the-go use, ensuring your vehicle maintains its pristine condition wherever you go. Say goodbye to messy spills and cumbersome cleaning supplies. Luxury Drivers Car Cleaning Wipes are the ultimate solution for maintaining your car's interior with ease and sophistication. In conclusion, selecting the right cleaning wipes for your car is crucial for maintaining its pristine appearance. From versatility to effectiveness, each wipe discussed offers unique benefits. Remember, a clean car not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also prolongs its lifespan. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share for more insightful content.